Good morning. We're day 4 of our road trip. Who knows what episode I'm going to put this into. We've been doing a bunch of filming, so I have no idea what's going to get put together yet. But we're still in Taiping. We're going to head to Penang here in just a little bit. But Shum and I wanted to come back down to the lake. And, I see a great little spot. We're going to film a couple little spots here along the way. Let's go take a look out here by the lake. The road trip continues. This is exciting times, Shum. We're on the road. We're getting to soak in more of this wonderful country. I'm excited. I've heard so many things about Penang, so I'm excited to get up there, but I'm enjoying Taiping. What I've learned so far about Taiping is I need to come here and spend a lot more time. So the next trip here, maybe I'll try to stay like a week. All right, let's go take a look. You can see a few of the lotus over there. A little paddle boat over there. How do I say that? Shum, is it Taman?
Taman.
Taman?
Taman.
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 Taman Taping.
That's right.
All right. Cool. I enjoy when they take really good care of parks over here in Southeast Asia. It's just beautiful. And like I said, people are putting it to use, which makes it all worthwhile. Beautiful morning. Are you trying to get us killed, Shum?
Wrong side of the traffic. That's a prison. First prison.
Oh, is that one of that is?
Yeah. I think it's first in Malaysia.
Drop you off right over there.
First in Malaysia.
That's right. Save the authorities some time. Probably get a medal or something for taking you to the prison, dropping you off. What's this? School?
School, yeah.
It's a pretty big school. A lot of little rugrats running around in there for sure.
Yeah. This is the botanic garden. This is the war cemetery. Would you want me to stop, or we just go past it?
I can see it right here. We can do it right here. It's on both sides. Now, I gotta ask you.
Yeah.
I personally, I don't want to be closed-minded, but I feel like monkeys probably should pass some extra tests before they're allowed to drive motorbikes around. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not saying they shouldn't be allowed to drive. It's just like, because look at him. He was looking distracted. Look at this guy. That is hilarious.
And it gets way worse. Yeah, they'll snatch your stuff. That's a walkway we were doing last night. Around the park. Prison in Malaysia.
All right.
1879.
1879. All right.
Fresh.
Robert Sandlin's Proud Walker.
Oh, it's really hot. Let's go in.
I'm not saying anything, but if you have to have 4 names, you know what I mean? Really, 4 names? I don't know. That's a little ridiculous to me.
So is these the type of transportation you have in Wyoming?
Yeah, right. Unfortunately, we couldn't film inside this museum, So we just took some quick shots outside and continued on with our journey. Some cool classic cars though. Here's a little foreshadowing of our next stop. Once again, I love the murals all over Malaysia. Gee, I wonder where we're headed to next. Maybe something to do with coffee. We're checking out the Antong Coffee Factory here in Taiping. As you can see, I love my Taiping coffee. Actually, I just love this advertisement. I did enjoy the little museum that they have here. Very cool. Follow me, let's go. My camera guy is, we're working with him. He's getting better.
You gotta try it.
I'm going to.
So I'm gonna get a second cup.
Okay, I just want to try one. It's a specialty golden. Very good, very, very good, very good. Oh my goodness.
It's good, right? I think it's fantastic.
Can I get one more? Oh. Okay, gotcha. Thank you very much, sir.
It's a great as well. But it's strong, I tell you. It's like triple espresso, a triple shot.
Should we buy one of those before we go?
Why not? Yeah.
You want espresso cone or cup? I'm gonna do cup just so I don't make a mess.
This time I'm gonna do a cone.
Okay. Can I do 1 cone and 1 cup? Do I do over there? Yeah, okay, yeah. I want to do one and one.
1.
Yes, sir.
She good, D good. 21.
Gotcha. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Okay, I got you. Yeah, I'll switch and let you get the code.
Yeah.
And you can tell her thank you for me. Wait, how is it again?
Try the mute Mandarin. 谢谢.
Sit, sit.
谢谢.
Sit, sit. She could tell I was trying and you were helping me, and that's all that counts, man. Respect,
She's
you know?
happy.
All right. Yeah, make sure the mic's still running. We had to go inside. I mean, the museum's donations only. I mean, so we gave a donation, but at the same time, like, this is a cool little setup, very laid back. Nobody's bugging you. The parking was super easy. So we grabbed an ice cream real quick to support the business and keep them here, which is cool. This is like a triple. Oh my goodness. Triple espresso coffee, which means that Shum and I will be bouncing off the walls in the car all the way to Penang. It's going to be an eventful ride, Shum.
Golden wrap.
Why don't you show the viewers? Here we go. Look at this. This is a golden. See, Shum, royalty, of course. But yeah, and this is the Antong Coffee Factory. I will say, not only is the ice cream really good, but they give free samples down in here where we bought the coffee, or the coffee ice cream. And I was telling Shum earlier, this reminds me of the Jaguar games, which he was like, wait, what? And it's because my kids growing up, we used to go to all the Jaguar games, and we'd park the parking lot where we usually would purchase tickets, where it was right across from the old Maxwell House factory in downtown Jacksonville. And so you'd go down there and you'd do your tailgating every weekend, and there'd be the scent coming, of course, from the coffee factory. And this being a coffee factory obviously has a very similar smell. And honestly, the what was that blend? The golden blend?
Yeah.
We tried the golden blend, and it literally tasted just like that smell, and it was just, oh, it was good. So anyway, we're gonna enjoy some coffee. We're gonna try to hit the road, continue on with our Malaysian road trip. We're already tired as hell. I told Sean, like, there's no way I'm gonna have to just keep coming back to these areas, because everywhere we go, we feel like we should have done this and this and this and this. So anybody that's watching from Taiping and you're like, Bill, you didn't try the whatever, why didn't you go here? You should have walked there, you should have ate here. I'm coming back. But right now I'm trying to get a little taste of Malaysia across a lot of different areas. We're headed to Penang shortly after this, and we'll spend a few days in Penang. I'm sure it'll be the same way. Not nearly enough time. But yeah, we'll catch up with you here shortly. All right, so we made it to Penang safely. This is a market that Cody, one of Shum's friends, recommended to us. So we came up here to grab something quick for dinner. You know how I love these markets in Malaysia. It's funny, you can go to pretty much any city and you'll find these. I was editing the video and I realized I need to push myself a little more. I mean, like right now I'm in Thailand, and I have nowhere near the comfort level as far as pushing myself and going out and trying new things as I did in Malaysia. Now, don't get me wrong. I don't understand what half these stands are selling, if I'm being honest with you. But I've had enough good experiences that I'm willing to go and try new things and push a little more in Malaysia. So I need to get where I can do that in Thailand. I just left Indonesia. I did that a little bit in Indonesia, but I probably could have done better on that as well. But the road trip continues, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.